Hi, I'm Tariq.
And I'm Cecelia.
Welcome to Inna the Mix.
Graceful drink, mix it your way, make you say it tastes nice, see? This versatile, just mix it. Graceful drink is a big hit. Feel good, delicious, and it full you up, full of nutrients. Can't get enough. I feel the whole family, no flavors to choose from. Smooth vanilla, mix it your way. Tropical strawberry, mix it your way. Mixed berry, get ready. Graceful drink, pistachio, give me some. Mix it your way. Graceful drink, mix it your way.
Today we'll be making muffins using
the Grace food drink mixed berry flavor. So let's get started. I like to whisk my egg, or as some Jamaicans would say, beat the eggs. Okay, so I'll first crack this egg. And I'll add my ingredients step by step. Let me whisk this first. What do you like about my cooking?
It's appetizing. It's good sometimes.
Sometimes? What about the other times?
Could be better.
So tell me, what meals do you like?
The curry chicken and the stew peas.
Stew peas, okay. Well, this little boy keeps me on my feet. Sometimes I have to run him down. And he's a loving child. He's very intelligent. He's smart. And most of all, he makes me laugh. Let me tell you, I can't be in a bad mood of being around Tariq. In this bowl, I have different challenges. And Tariq will have to act out each one that I pick.
I pick.
Okay, you pick.
All right, everybody, single formal line. All right, everything good in there? All right.
Conductor. Foreign conductor.
Yes. Oh no!
Is me watching news?
Yeah. Okay, is everybody here? Oh, it's two people. We have to wait. We have to wait on them. Okay, Ryan, you're here. So yeah. Let's start with the maths.
Oh, grade 4 teacher, online class.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, it's been hard, but I was able to adapt. It was not easy to adapt. So I don't really like the new learning style.
For me, the hardest part is not being able to see my child attend regular classes. I used to enjoy picking him up in the days and because I take home a lot of children in the evenings.
My brother inspires me because he's a cancer survivor and it inspires me to keep going and to move on, and they can do this.
I'm going to pour my muffin mix.
Well, our childhood is crazy. Like, story crazy.
All right.
So this one story, it's about her talking about her parents and her dad always hides behind a bush and just eavesdrops on everything them saying. And once them finish talk, him just pop out of the blue and say, "Repeat that."
He's got the whole world in his hands.
He's got you and me, brother.
In his hands.
He's got you and me, sister.
In his hands.
He's got you and me, brother.
In his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands.
Thanks for joining us today.
And don't forget to subscribe to Grace's YouTube channel at Grace Foods.
And for a quick fix, put Grace food drinks
In
in
a
a
mix.
mix.